you do? What are they for?
Well, I know what they're from.
What are they from?